Hello everyone, Nasir here again. Looking at gold again. On my last analysis, I was expecting gold to come down as low as somewhere around 1775 or so. We didn't quite get that. Just around 1800, it pulled right back up. Okay, so that's fine. We caught most of it. That's all fine. But now that gold has continued going up, as per the previous analysis that I've got on gold, where you'd find that I'm expecting gold to head towards 1900 on the medium term. We've made a lot of progress there. We've hit around 1850, almost 1855. But I can see another pullback coming, and this pullback shouldn't be too big. I'm expecting something around 1800. So although I'm still expecting gold to head up, I think there's a substantial pullback coming, which will take gold from around 1850 down to around 1800. So that's quite a nice catch, about 500 points there. Once we get down to around 1800, I'll have to reassess. I would imagine somewhere around there we'll get a signal or a sign that gold is done falling, and we would resume our upward move heading towards 1900 again. So let's see if we can play this and ride this move.